What's up, guys? It's Rickina, Velte, the Lash CEO here in Virginia Beach, Virginia, and I'm going to be answering the question, what exactly is, how does nano brows work? What is actually happening in the skin? So we are going to answer that in this video. Thank you for tuning in. Again, today we're going to just be talking about exactly how does nano brows work and how is it different from microblading. Basically, with microblading, you've got your microblading tool, which looks like a pin. It's got the microblading needles all lined up at the end of the tool. What happens is we're dipping that into the pigment. You have pigment on all of the needles. Once you make contact with the skin and create that stroke, there's a vibration that happens that's opening up the skin and allowing that pigment to travel down those needles into the skin, creating a beautiful stroke. With nano brows, we're using a permanent makeup machine, which is this one needle, and we still dip that needle in the pigment, but instead of creating strokes with a series of needles going through the skin, we are actually allowing the permanent makeup machine to go in and out super fast, kind of like a traditional tattoo. The machine is doing a lot of the work. What I, as the artist, am doing is creating that natural line to look like a hair has grown into that spot. So that needle going in and out of the skin super fast, in addition to my movement, is what's not creating stroke cuts, but more of just injections of pigment into the skin. So that is the difference. That's why those strokes will stay crisper longer, and we will have a little less trauma to the skin and allowing it to not have the stroke cut and more of a deposit of pigment into the skin to create those hair strokes for your new set of brows. Hopefully that answers that question. If you have any other questions that I can answer, just let me know in the comments below, or you can email them to me, info@thelashceo.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll talk to you later. Bye.